There are three kinds of angles that you need to know here in elementary school, boys and girls. We have an acute angle, a right angle, and an obtuse angle. How can you recognize these? A right angle always looks exactly the same. It's always this openness right here. It's like the corner of your paper. Look at the corner of your paper. It looks just like that. That's a right angle. It doesn't have to be pointing to the right to be a right angle. That's a right angle. That's a right angle. As long as you can fit the corner of your paper right into that angle perfectly, it's a right angle. If you close the angle down a little bit more than a right angle, you get an acute angle. I remember this by remembering a cute little angle. It's little, it's smaller than a right angle. Anywhere, that's an acute angle. Anywhere less than a right angle, because that would be a right angle, is an acute angle. This is an acute angle. Anything smaller than a right angle is an acute angle. An obtuse angle is anything more open than a right angle. So you can see a right angle would be right here, but if we open that line out a little bit more, we get an obtuse angle. This is an obtuse angle. If it's just barely more than a right angle, like that one right there, that's still an obtuse angle.